Well, hey guys, welcome back. And what we got today is another DIY. And you can see them, they're right here. And these are risers for the seat. And now why I did this is, the seat kind of leans back a little bit. Now, I'm gonna tell you, you're not going to get a more comfortable seat than the Oldtown Sportsman seat. This thing is just wonderful, comfortable. God, it's comfortable. But it does lean back a little bit. And what that was doing was, it was putting pressure, this front bar, I don't know if you can see it, but this front bar was putting pressure on the back of my thighs. So if you're out fishing 3 or 4 hours, 10 hours, whatever you're doing, and you're working these foot pedals. Now, these foot pedals control my rudder, and that's how I steer. And I'm constantly moving back and forth, back and forth. And it was starting to, I could feel it on the back of my thighs. You know, it was making my legs real tired. And so what I did was, I 3D printed. You can buy these online. There's several companies out there that sell them. But what I decided to do, hey, I have the technology, you know. Let me take some measurements, design these things, and print them. And they work great, guys. They work awesome. They spin, you know, put them right where you need them. Bam, I'm up 1 inch. I can actually then I strap my seat down, which is what that's for. When I strap my seat down, it doesn't move. Of course, it's going to slide. The front slides. Hey, I'm not sliding around a lot when I'm out there. But hey, guys, you're talking about a world of difference. I mean, that 1 inch. And I'm setting up a little higher, just 1 inch. I could have did them 2 inch, you know, I could have been here. I just want to relieve some of that pressure off of my legs. And I know it works. I took the kayak out yesterday, and a world of difference. That bar is not any longer pressing in the back of my thighs. And I don't know if it was restricting blood flow or what it was. But these are much better. And man, the thing works great. You know, I've always been a proponent of, if you can build it yourself and it works for you, doesn't have to work for everybody else, just has to work for you, it's a great thing. And these are great things. Like I said, you can buy these things online for $30, $45. They don't look anything like this. I just used some screws I had, and guys, when you design stuff and build it, hey, everything doesn't work the first time. And this one didn't, you know, something I did, I flipped wrong or whatever when I sliced it and had to go back, but you know, did just some quick prints on it, see if it would work. Then I did the final, which these are a 50% infill. A very strong infill I did on them, and they work great. So guys, that's what I got. And coming up, guys, I'm gonna, you know, I print a lot of stuff for a lot of things, and I'm gonna do a giveaway. You know, I'm gonna start giving away some of this stuff, you know, just to show my appreciation to you guys, and to you know, let people enjoy some of the stuff I enjoy. You know, you may not have a 3D printer. And I can understand, you know, a lot of people don't want to get into that thing. But you know, several years ago I got into it pretty heavy. So I'm gonna do some giveaways, you know, if you've got an Oldtown, or maybe you want me to design something for you and print for you. I have no problem doing that. I've gotten pretty good at designing stuff. All I need is some measurements, and I can design and build it. But guys, that's what I got. This little 1 inch riser has made my experience on this Oldtown Sportsman 106 MK 100 times better, because my legs are not hurting anymore from just 1 inch. Just 1 inch. That's all it took. 1 inch. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. And you guys take care. And be sure to join me on the next one. We're going to be doing something. We're not on the water. We're going to be 3D printing something, or doing a DIY. You never know. You never know. So guys, take care, and I will definitely catch you guys later.